Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing text with a picture in it. But you can also edit it. So first of all, you're gonna open up a blank slide and change the background to a dark fill. So I'm gonna use this black color. Next, what you're gonna do is insert the text box and write your text and increase its size. Use a bold font and increase its size and give it middle alignment. Put it in the middle and the center of your slide. And here you go. Next, what you're gonna do is go to format, shape, and then you're gonna go to text option, then click on picture texture fill, and then from your device, you're gonna insert a colorful image. But as you can see this image, you can also change the text and the text image will all be in it. So let me just change the image to a brighter one so that we can clearly see the text. So I'm just gonna use a bright image. So for example, let's just take this image. Yeah, so this one looks just fine. What you can do is change your text, so and the picture will remain inside your text. Plus, you can download this free template from the link in the description below, and this is the final result. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.